What's the meaning of bouncer? Bouncer. Bouncer.
Bouncer. Bouncer. A bouncer is a person who works in a nightclub or bar and is responsible for checking the age and identification of patrons, monitoring the behavior of patrons to ensure everyone's safety, and maintaining an orderly environment. They may also be responsible for handling any conflicts or incidents that occur within the establishment. The term bouncer comes from their role in physically removing patrons who are causing trouble or breaking the establishment's rules. In short, a bouncer is a security personnel hired to ensure the safety and security of the establishment and its patrons.